Want to know how to add payment details in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and only a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you have opened up your website, you should be provided with this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. If you aren't logged in, we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, on the top left side you should be seeing this Replit icon right here. So just simply select it and then hit towards account right here. So once you have selected account, just scroll down a little bit until you see payment details. So right here you should be seeing add payment method, so you can just simply select it. And now you can just simply add your full name, your addresses, and then your card numbers and once more, and then select save payment method right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.